This is Kristen from Planet Bike. Are you looking to keep rain, mud, snow, and road spray off your backside on inclement weather rides? Meet the eco-friendly 100% post-consumer TUV-certified recycle bike fenders. With rugged all-weather construction and a 40mm mud flap, these fenders ensure cyclists and their bikes stay clean no matter the forecast. Let's take a look. Durable, all-weather, 100% post-consumer, TUV-certified recycled polycarbonate blades. Stainless steel stays and coated steel hardware are pre-installed, making installation a breeze. Release tabs on front fender for added safety. Mud flaps are 40mm long to provide extra coverage for your bike, back, and riding companions. Includes all hardware to mount to bikes with brazed-on eyelets. The recycle bike fenders come in two sizes, 700 by 45 and 26 by 60. We recommend that the maximum tire size is 10mm or 0.4 inches less than blade width. Please check our max tire size guide before purchase and installation. You can find your bike's tire size by checking the tire's sidewall. Before purchasing the full circle bike fenders, check to see that your bike has brazed-on eyelets attached to your frame. Eyelets will be located near the hub axle, both on the front fork and on the rear seat stays. Simply secure the recycle full wrap fenders in place and ride with confidence, knowing that your green machine just got a little greener. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come ride with us.